to share files using FSXplorer app, follow these steps. Connect hotspot of your device. To the Wi-Fi of client device. Then open FSXplorer app in your smartphone. Press Start button, and then tap on QR button. Your QR code or link is now on your screen. Now, open FSXplorer app or any QR code scanner in client smartphone. And slide your finger from left to right on screen. Then tap on QR scanner. Scan your QR code that generated on your device. After scanning, choose browser. Then your new browser window is open. From this window you can share files. There is lot of function available in this app, let's see them one by one. Come back to home screen. And slide your finger from left to right on screen. Then tap on setting button. Now you see 5 options available on screen. Tap on first one, that is define root of FSXplorer. Now a pop-up window is open, in which you can restrict client user to browse all of your files. For example, I clicked on SD card, then vidmix downloads, then tick on YouTube, and press select button. Now client able to access only YouTube folder. Here in client device, firstly refresh window. Now you can only able to access the content of YouTube folder. Now, select the second option, that is show hidden files. By this option client able to access hidden files also. Here in client device, firstly refresh window. Now you able to see the folder starting with dot, that is hidden folders. Now, tap on third option, that is restrict modification. After selecting this option, client is not able to rename or delete the files of your device. Here in client device, firstly refresh window. Now, if I try to rename folder, it's not working. Also, if I tried to delete folder, again it's not working. Now, select the next option, that is force download. Before enable this option, let's see how downloading begins. Here in client device, if I start downloading, then firstly file is open. If present in supportable format, from here you can download it manually. If I enable this force download option, then downloading starts automatically. Here in client device, now, if I tap on file, the downloading starts automatically. Now, select the last option, that is private mode. By this you can enable only some file visible to client. Come back to home screen. And tap on plus button, at upper right corner of screen. Select files, and media, of your choice. For example, I select files from vidmix downloads, then YouTube, and select 2 files. For media, I select 1 media file. Here in Client Device, firstly refresh window. Now you can only able to access the selected content. Thanks for watching. And feel free to contact us anytime for any queries and suggestions.